Want to know how to increase followers to your LinkedIn company page? If the answer is yes, keep on watching as I'm going to share 3 tips with you of how you can boost your following in no time. For more solopreneurship and online business advice, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified when I post a new video every single week. Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can increase your followers on your LinkedIn company page. Make sure you watch this video till the very end because I have a super special gift for you that is going to help you boost your followers in no time. I am super excited for businesses to use LinkedIn because as it stands today, the demand for content on LinkedIn is far greater than the content providers. So what this means for you is that when you publish a post on LinkedIn, your engagement and your potential for reaching massive audiences is so much greater than on many other social media platforms. So I really want you to tap into that. Another reason why LinkedIn is super special is that when you publish a post on LinkedIn and say your friend comments or likes it, the people in your friends network will now also be able to see your post. This is unseen on any other social media platforms. So here's an example for you. I do not personally follow Mel Robinson on LinkedIn. However, because my connection Michelle has liked her post, I am now seeing it in my feed as well. So this is super powerful and can expose you to people outside of your network and beyond your following. So my number 1 tip for getting more followers on your company page is to publish content that people want to engage with. When it comes to content creation, I'm a big believer of sharing your unique knowledge with your audience for free. So the more tips and insights you can give away for free, the more you will be perceived as an expert in that field and the more people will want to work with you. So absolutely share content that is of value to your audience and encourage them to participate by saying something like, comment below if you agree with this, or leave a comment if you'd like me to send this free checklist to you. Another great thing you can do is to ask questions in your posts. And LinkedIn has just launched an amazing feature called LinkedIn Poll. You know how much people love polls. So you can create one by going to your company page, starting a post, adding in your questions and answers, and sharing this on your company page. If you now go to the member view, you see how awesome your post looks. So you might be thinking, Vendy, that's all great, but I have 0 followers on my company page. So if that's the case, don't worry. What you should do in this instance is go to your company page, copy the link to your post, and then go back to your personal profile and drop your link there. The coolest thing is that when you publish a company update on your personal profile is that it will have this follow button on top of them. So this is a great hack or a great way to get more following. So do not publish anything on your personal profile anymore. Make sure you publish it on your company page, then copy that post or copy the link to that post and then put that on your personal profile. Tip number 2, invite your connections to follow your company. If we go to the admin view of your company page, click on Admin Tools and select Invite Connections from the drop-down. This is where you will be able to invite people who you are already connected with to follow your company page. Be careful with these as you only get 100 credits a month, but as your connections accept the invite, the credits will be returned to you. So I'm going to invite one of my friends to follow my company now. Once I do this, Olivia will receive a notification saying that I have invited her to like my company page. Tip number 3, notify your team about publishing a new post. If you go back to the admin view of your company page, you will see Notify Employees button on top of your posts. So I currently don't have any employees, but if you did, you could send them a notification that a new post has just been published on the company page. You are allowed to send these notifications once a day, but LinkedIn will not show them to everyone in your company. LinkedIn is using a so-called relevance model where they look at how often those employees typically engage with company posts to decide whether or not to show your notification to them. Here's the bonus tip. Many of us often forget about LinkedIn groups, but that's another awesome place where to share your content. Now, you never ever want to be spamming or promoting yourself on those groups. However, if you are truly sharing content that is of value to those people and you are engaging in conversations and questions with the community members, you are so much more likely to get new following as a business. And here's my gift to you. Specifically for this video, I have created a private LinkedIn group called Follow the Founder, and it is specifically designed for all of you who want to increase following on your company pages. Every week, you can share one company update in the weekly threads by simply dropping a link to your post in the comment section. Other group members can engage with you by either liking your post, commenting on it, or starting to follow your company page. Once this is done, they will like your comment to let you know they have completed this task. To be absolutely clear, this is not a like-for-like group. I have created this community so that entrepreneurs like you could come together and grow your LinkedIn channels together. Okay, if you are excited for this and you want to be a part of this group, what you need to do is request access to join. So take a link from the description below and request access. Please also make sure you drop your personal LinkedIn profiles in the comment section of this YouTube video so I know who you are and I could accept your request to join the group. Okay, that's a wrap for today. I hope you have some amazing ideas flowing of how to increase following on your company page. Make sure to check out these videos next of how to master your LinkedIn game. If you like this video, hit that like button and be sure to subscribe and share this with your friends. I will see you again next week.